During an auto mode operation, if there are small obstacles such as a utility pole or a tree, please use the Flight Assistant app to manually control the drone for obstacle avoidance. Below is a Z20 example explaining the steps. When encounter an obstacle, tap Stop in the Flight Assistant app, or directly push the left and right stick on the remote controller. The drone will automatically exit the operation and hover. The drone will enter to projection point mode, and the app will display break point, return point 1, and return point 2. The labels are shown in the diagram, and the detailed steps are as follows. If the pilot accidentally touches the sticks, tap breakpoint. The drone will automatically return to the breakpoint and operate. If the obstacle ahead is small, the pilot can manually fly the drone around it. Then tap return point 1. The drone will move laterally to the route where return point 1 is located and continue the operation. If there are many obstacles ahead and it's not suitable to continue, tap return point 2. The drone will move laterally to the original route at return point 2, adjust its heading, and continue. For large obstacles at the field, start or end, edit barrier points or adjust the route width to avoid them. Follow us to get more practical tutorials and updates.